Well, I got this. I haven't been trucking for a minute because I don't have to tell y'all in another video. But this I got today. This is to back up some. There's a power thing I'm gonna be using because I have everything is going into storage because I'm having some problems. And so I'm gonna get this and charge it up to um, if I ever need something to be charged, like my cell phone or my cell phone or my anything I need to use, like my laptop or the computer and stuff. So I end up buying this because the power generator, it's hard to get a what's called a portable power generator, because you guys know we got that Energizer power bank I use that everybody's bitching at me about. That's for their cell phone. For me to, when I'm going around, that's my cell phone. And plus I'm gonna have to use this to sometimes charge that power bank. So I use this. So I'm gonna be using this. This is to, like, let's say if you at home and the power goes out, and it's, you know, your power goes out, you can use this to still run some things. Well, I'm kind of using this in my storage. I'm gonna charge it. I'm gonna be charging it while I'm still where I'm at, and then we're gonna put it in storage. So if I need there's something to charge, like, or I need to go through my computer or something, I'll just plug it into this, you know, because it has a battery pack. I've been through this before because AT&T used to have a backup power battery thingy, but they don't use that no more because that was old. Where you I still got it because they gave it to me, to where if power went out, your internet will still keep running. So yeah, so this is what this is. It's kind of like that, because I was trying to see if Best Buy does not, you have to order like the power generators. Their power generators are high, but they're hard to get because you have to, those things have to be ordered. They're not like in the store. And if they do, they have the little ones. And those little ones, I kind of don't think they can hold too long. So yeah, so this is what I got. So we're gonna charge it up and then put it in storage in case if I need to like do anything on the laptop or anything and stuff like that, because that's what it's mostly going to be used for, is for my laptop. And sometimes might pull my desktop out and try to, if it was enough room in the desktop, I could pull off using my desktop in the storage, but I would have to rearrange. Let me show you. I would have to rearrange the storage to put the desk and the computer back together. And but this doesn't last long enough to, I don't think, to try to pull off a truck driving video. But like I said, I might try something, figure something out. But yeah, this is what the back of it looks like and stuff. 11 runtime, 2 minutes of runtime, fully loaded, 900 watts, 400 watts. So this is like something like if your power go out, you still have enough power a little bit to still use your computer and your internet and stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm using it for, though, is to charge it up and put it in the storage. So in case I need to use my laptop, if I'm not somewhere, you know. So yeah, this is the back of it and stuff. Yeah. Oh, let me show you what come with it. It came with this and this cord. And that's all it came with it. Is this right here. Look at that cyber power. So yeah. Let me show you the back of it. See, there's the side of it. Look at that. And that's what's like, these things come in, and that's it. These in a plastic bag and stuff like that. Oh yeah, I keep saying stuff like that. It's like this was heavy walking home because I brought it from, I walked it, you know. All right, let me show you what it looked like. So here it is. right here. This is it. This is the cord to it. I gotta plug it into the back. I'm gonna have to keep this charged for a good long time, so it could be sit. You know, like I said, if I need to use my laptop, and stuff. It turns on a little bit, I think. See? I gotta take this plastic off though. I gotta take this plastic off. They got USB. Look, they got the USB right there. Your power button is right here, and I think the wattage things are right here. And yeah, let me turn it around. All right, here's your back. Here's your Ethernet. Here's your plugs where you plug your plugs in and stuff right here. Battery surge. Let's see. So yeah, and then you got that I gotta figure out what that is. So you got your Ethernet right there. You got surge and you got backup and your surge battery. So I would have to use the surge battery if I was gonna use anything like my laptop and stuff in storage and like that. So this is like, I'm gonna be carrying this around sometimes to have it charged, but I'm gonna charge it tonight and all the weekend so it can be ready. So while it's in storage, or if I need to go to my storage, use my laptop or somewhere something needs to be charged, this baby is right here. Because I've seen, we here in LA got crazy stuff go on. People be stealing power from the lights, the lampposts and stuff. If you can do all that, why can't you get a job as an electrician? But I've heard, but everybody's not being smart. You could buy this, you could buy a portable generator, electric generator and stuff. Instead of, but these people don't use their money to, if you want to live in a tent and be on the street watching TV and stuff, stop stealing and get you one of these or a portable electric generator. Because those gas ones, ooh. So yeah. So I'm finna plug this thing up. Because we gotta plug it up and let it charge and stuff. Because I gotta plug it in the back. So yeah, let me give you what it look like. I know y'all gonna ask me questions. It cost me about $252. So yeah. So and plus I could charge my police radios because I have two police radios. I don't carry two, so I have two police radios. That's the main thing, because my radio's got to stay charged because I have to, in case something happens on the street, I'm ready. So yeah, there she go.